All right, you all, today, right now, I have me, Madre and Koko the Yorkie, who just so happened to get in the video. Hey, right now, she has these water, these jugs or these gallon and half gallon containers, and she is putting holes in it. What are you doing?
I am creating a mini greenhouse.
So with this mini greenhouse, like what are you doing right now?
I'm punching holes in the bottom of the milk jug for drainage. And I'm going to do some winter sowing. This is my first time trying it. And winter sowing is when you start your seeds in plastic containers like milk jugs in the winter time so you can get a jump start on early planting.
Okay.
And winter sowing is where you put your milk jugs outside in the winter in snow. And they will sit there with your seeds and your dirt in it until the temperature change. And when the temperature change, then they should start to growing. So I'm putting holes for drainage at the bottom. I'm putting a hole on the side for drainage. And I'm going to put 2 holes at the top. And the holes at the top will let water from the snow for the rain to go into the container to keep the seeds from drying out.
So are you gonna put like the lid on there, like the cap back on?
No, you don't put the cap on because this is where you have to have the humidity.
So any snow just gonna that way you could control the amount of water that goes in there as well.
And you need opaque containers or clear containers, something where the sun could go through.
Because it's creating a greenhouse, right?
It's a mini greenhouse.
And so in this 1 gallon, how many seeds would you plant?
It depended on the seeds. I don't know right now.
How many do you plan on planting?
I plan on putting maybe, I don't want to overseed, which you put too many in the jug. So I might put maybe 5, 6. I have the larger container milk jug.
You're gonna put 5 or 6 in this 1 gallon?
And then I have the smaller.
Why do you have why is that one cut and the other one isn't? What's the purpose of that?
So what you do is you have to have it cut so you can make a little top.
Why do you need a top?
So you can put you can put your dirt in there, you put your seeds in there, and once you cover it up and you close it up, you put your tape around it to hold it and
just let it sit there.
Let it sit in the wintertime.
So then
I'm going to take these out of the box and I'm going to store them outside on my patio or on the ground.
And so then after the winter time, it kind of like makes them go into dormant?
Yes, your seeds will be into dormant until the last frost and the temperature change.
And so what would you do? Like take this tape off or something? And after the tape is off, you'll just pull up the whole thing and like plant it?
Yes. I take the tape off.
Why do you have this filter in there? Is that necessary?
The filter also helps with drainage. That way, when I put my soil in there, my soil won't clog up the holes at the bottom.
So using this filter is still going to be able to drain?
Yes.
And why is this on your wrist? It's in the video. You all, so this is me, Madre, talking about overwintering. And where did you get this idea from?
I got it off of YouTube.
Off of YouTube? Okay. Well, we shall see whether or not it works. And she just whispered to me to take this off. To take that off, and I'm gonna leave it in. So you all, welcome to my channel. I am Monique D, and today I am with me Madre, and she is doing and prepping for her overwintering. You know, sometimes we have to be able to be flexible and see if things work, you know. So this is, like she said before, this is going to be her first time trying it out. If it works, it works. It saves us a lot of time from having to actually put everything out in the spring, and it's going to give us a jump start on the plants being able to thrive. And so, you know, it's not necessary for everybody to do this, but it is something that, you know, just like they do science projects. You see if it works and you see if it doesn't work. And Koko the Yorkie, how are you today? Say hello to everybody. Because, of course, we can't have a video without Koko the Yorkie making an appearance and checking everything out. So, we are going to come back in a few months to give you an update on this process, and we'll see. Drop a comment to let us know whether or not you think this overwintering is going to work. Check out our other videos where we were able to plant some seeds directly into our raised garden bed, which we kind of transformed and made that into a greenhouse, as well as planted some pumpkin, cantaloupe, and watermelon into the ground directly to see if those come back up. So, you all, I appreciate you all and everything you do. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you to the new subscribers. Thank you to the new viewers. And until next time.